Hello and welcome to our new vocabulary lesson, and this is going to be Unit 8. The school's vision is learn today, lead tomorrow. The title of this unit is What Happened to Pennsylvania Station, and this is an essay, like an article. Means the writer wrote things that happened in history. Actually, it's something like a historical essay or article. The first word is alternate. Alternate is a verb and it means to do, use, or happen in successive turns or to take turns. Alternate. The example is we chose two students to alternate in the lead role for our class play, mean that they are going to take turns, exchange and substitute each other. Alternate here is a verb. Alternate. Alternate is a noun. The meaning is a person acting or prepared to act in the place of another, or a substitute. So this is a noun and it refers to the person who's going to take the place of the other one. Juries usually include two or more alternates. Alternates means people to be prepared to act in the place of somebody else, to substitute the other jury. Alternate also, again, as an adjective this time. Alternate as an adjective. The meaning is happening or appearing in turns. Or another meaning, every other. Or another meaning, being a choice between two or more things. The example is the bus driver took an alternate route. Alternate route means another route in the place or being another choice. Okay, alternate, adjective, means how we use it as an adjective. We use it as an adjective because here there is a noun. This is how we can focus when we use something as a noun. So it's a noun in the sentence. But if we use this word, a word as an adjective, we have to put it before a noun. The next word is demolish. Demolish is a verb and it means to tear down, break to pieces. The example is a wrecking crew arrived to demolish in the old building. These people, the wrecking crew, and they have arrived to demolish. To demolish, here this is the verb. To demolish the old building, they are going to break it to pieces. Energetic is an adjective and it means active, vigorous, full of energy, and forceful. The example is our teacher has an energetic assistant. Means that this is a lively, an active, a vigorous assistant. The next word is enforce. Enforce is a verb and it means to force obedience to somebody or something. To force obedience, to make people follow the rules, to make students follow the school or classroom rules, to enforce. Okay, it is the duty of the police to to protect citizens and enforce the laws, because if they do not enforce the laws, nobody's gonna follow them. This is a police officer's photo. Feat is a noun. The meaning is an act or deed that shows daring, skill, or strength. Daring means courage. Skill or strength. Let's see the example. The crowd cheered when the circus strongman performed a mighty feat. So a mighty act, a great act. So they cheered for him. Act or deed that shows daring, courage, or skill, and or strength. Hearty. Hearty is an adjective and it means warm and friendly, or healthy and lively, or large and satisfying to the appetite. So we have the example is we all sat down to a hearty meal. There are people eating in a restaurant. So hearty here in this example means satisfying to the appetite, or large and satisfying to the appetite means that they are going to be full when they finish the meal. It could also mean healthy, could also mean friendly. Mature is a verb. Here in this slide it is the verb. The meaning is to bring to or reach a full development or growth. The puppy will mature over the summer. The puppy will mature, grow and develop its body over the summer. Means by the end of the summer is going to be a grown up dog. Mature as an adjective. Here, if we use it as an adjective, it has to be followed by a noun. The meaning is fully grown or developed, nearly the same meaning. The example is a field of mature oats waved in the breeze. Well, this is so poetic. And matured here. Oats, do you know this, the oatmeal that we buy to make things with, or cookies? These are the oats, the seeds, and they are mature. Mature means that they are ready to be eaten. They are full grown and full developed. They will not develop more. A field of mature oats waved in the breeze. Observant. Observant is an adjective and the meaning is watchful, quick to notice, or careful and diligent. Diligent means attentive. So careful and diligent, watchful. The example is an observant guard spotted the vandals. An observant guard, a watchful guard, spotted the vandals. Vandals are those people who destroy things around them on purpose. Primary. Primary is an adjective and the meaning is first in importance, or first in time or order, or basic, or fundamental. Like the primary school is the same as elementary school. Now you are at the end of your years in the elementary school or the primary school. The example is raising money was our primary order of business. Here you can see in the picture they needed donations. So raising money means taking or receiving donations. The meaning is priority, first in importance, primary. Primary as a noun, and it means an early election that narrows the choice of candidates who will run in a final election. The example is the challenger won the primary. So like this is in the US elections. They have many steps. The first step is the primary, which is described here in the meaning, the early election step. Resign is a verb. The G is silent, of course. Resign is a verb and the meaning is to give up a job or an office or a right or claim. So give up your job, or you give up your rights, or you give up your something that should have belonged to you, but you just leave it. So you resign. The example is Richard Nixon was the first president to resign from office. This is one of the presidents in the United States, and he was the first one to resign, means that he left the job as a president. Strive is a verb, and the meaning is to devote much energy or effort, or to try hard. You must strive to finish your homework on time. means to do the work. Try very hard to do your work on time. And you can see here he's doing the work like you, with the laptop and the books at the same time. Verdict. Verdict is a noun, and the meaning is the decision of a jury at the end of a trial or legal case, or any decision. The jury brought in a guilty verdict. Means that this is the sentence. This is their opinion at the end of the trial. The juries decided that this person was guilty. So a guilty verdict. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please go to the discussion room. See you and goodbye.